Hi everyone, my name is Oleksii Ponomar and I'm a digital marketer. I have been promotion businesses since 2010, SEO, Google Ads, targeted ads, SMM. And here's a questions I hear all the time. Why create an Instagram page if you already have a website? Let me explain briefly and to the point. Instagram trust and the face of your brand. A website is a showcase. But Instagram is the atmosphere behind the shines and real communication. People see photos, stories, comments, reviews, and start trusting you. This matters most in emotional niches, beauty, fashion, food, services. If people find your website in Google, but don't find your social media, they often don't buy at all. Instagram is a free traffic channel. Yes, you do need a website, but on Instagram you can post new products, promotions, and show your service in action. People can find you trust hashtags, geolocations, and reposts. Every post can send traffic to your website. DMs or straight to a lead form. It's a constant flow of warm, interested people. Instagram direct communication with your client. A website is one-way communication, but Instagram gives you direct messages, comments, polls, stories that provoke reactions. It's a two-way connection that builds your loyalty and naturally increases sales. Instagram plus website is the perfect combination. They are not competitors, they are perfect partners. Instagram creates rich engagement and trust. The website gives structured information, SEO value, and online ordering. Together, they cover both people who scroll social media and people who search on Google. That's the maximum potential clients. So if you already have a website, that's great. But Instagram must be there to even a simple active regularly updated one. It boosts your image, trust, and sales. Subscribe to the channel. There will be many more practical tips. And if you need a consultation, message me or follow the link in my profile. See you soon.